Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pumpkin spice cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your room temperature butter, or like I have, microwave it if it's still a little firm. Then add in your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, then mix together until well combined. You don't need it to be super light and fluffy, but just well combined will work. Once it is combined, you can then add in your vanilla extract followed by the pumpkin puree. We're using pumpkin puree to add a tenderness, and it's also a replacement for the egg, so just keep that in mind. Mix until it's fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the mixture, and this is completely normal due to the amount of moisture that's in the pumpkin puree. Then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so make sure to scrape the top and the very bottom of the bowl. Then go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which is your flour, your raisin agent, your spices, followed by the chocolate chips. I'm using these pumpkin spice flavoured ones that I picked up while I was in New York. But then just mix these all in together on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium-high speed. And once you get a dough form, stop mixing, and you don't want to overmix it as otherwise it will have a tough texture. Take your scoop and scoop up the cookie dough. Do this continuous times until you have 5 cookies. It should be 5 and a little bit left over. Just take the cookie dough and roll it between your hands into a ball, then flatten it slightly and place onto a baking tray. These do spread, but not an awful lot. Well, they do, but not too much that it's like weird. Place them into the oven and bake them off at the preheated temperature. Then place straight from the oven onto your surface and top with some more of the chocolate chips. I'll be honest, I didn't like the flavour of these chocolate chips. They smelled artificial, they tasted artificial, they was not worth the money. So if you can get these, don't buy them, don't waste your time. But put the chocolate chips on the top of each cookie, then allow it to cool as much as you can. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.